Vexed irritation and depression. Heart 5 is a definite go-to point for me when I'm treating these situations. Now, again, we're not off-label here. 4 gates is not liver 3, Tai Chong, and Hegu Li4. It's not. The 4 gates are the 4 limbs, and is the qi going out and able to come back? It's got to go through the gates either way. And so therefore, any combination of points we pick on the limbs that are designed to help bring the qi out and allow qi to return would be a 4 gates treatment. Doesn't have to be Li4, Hegu, and Tai Chong, liver 3. Now that's slightly heretical, heresy among some, but I am a huge believer in using and teaching 4 gates alternatives. And if I'm dealing with vexed irritation and depression, I really have to ask myself, why am I sticking a needle in a point like Hegu Li4, which it can be really painful. Vexed irritation, painful needle in wrist, in hand. Patient does not necessarily want to go for that. I will often do a 4 gates variation of heart 5 and liver 5. Ligo. So Tony Ligo is something you will see frequently in my clinic, in my practice. I like Ligo, liver 5, because it's far enough towards the foot that it has a great deal of sensitivity, but it's close enough to the knee that it's not overwhelming. But whether I decide to needle my 4 gates at the he-si, around the knee, or halfway down, or the ankle, or the feet, is a decision based on intensity of sensation, what they have, everything else. So I do a lot of 4 gates treatments that don't look like 4 gates until you realize that there's a needle in all the limbs. And then you go, oh, that's 4 gates, as opposed to thinking it's these specific points. Heart 5, I'm a huge fan of, particularly for vexed irritation, for depression.